foundation anniversary of this institution. Under the leadership of Judge Toribio Ilaw Jr., President, General Alumni Association Incorporated. How blessed is this institution, because this exciting occasion is blessed by the presence of no less than our ever supportive City Mayor Alfredo Lim, as well as Congressman Amado Bagatsing. Tuloy po kayo. And luminaries. And luminaries of the 64-year-old institution, the likes of General and former Senator Orly Mercado. That's why the 3,600 students and 190 teaching and non-teaching personnel of your alma mater, and I, for one, rejoice with you today. Salute to batches 52, 62, 72, 82, and 92 for sponsoring this grand reunion. Let me also take this occasion to thank you for all the support as we continue to do our share in lighting the path of those who come after you. May God bless you richly. Cheers to you all. Welcome.
Mrs. Mary Papio Magana, to such a generous and short introduction. Honorable Mayor Alfredo S. Lim, Honorable Congressman Amado S. Bagatsing, necessity of the school. And I would like to announce that the General Alumni Association and its officers directors to the host batches, especially batch 76, headed by Mrs. Teresita in Australia, batch 72, headed by Ray Vasquez, to thank Mayor Lim through his office of the Mayor, the City Engineering Office, through Engineer Salvador and Engineer Robert Evangelista, for both alumni of the school, the office of Congressman Amado Bagatsing, Kabara, classmate, and
special guest. Now this is the time we've been waiting. Alright, I will be calling the names of the different batches to find out who are still existing and kicking and who are already aging. Though we say age doesn't matter, but still they come with their arthritis every year, the one who are aging. We have also the batches who are already decreasing because some of them went abroad already, but hopefully they will come back soon. And then the last one, we have those who are already disappearing. I don't know for what reason, maybe you know the reason why they already disappeared. So to start with, may I call on batch 50, 61, 61, 62, 64, 6, 90. 97. Ano ba yan? Sinakot nila ng ano? 99. 2000.
O, dito po, isang masaya dyan. Ayaw.
Ang ating masipag at mapagkakatiwalaang Congressman ng District, the Honorable Congressman Amado Marching. Nandiyan din ang isang general na alumnus ninyo, General Enrique Cuadra. General, yung Chief of Police ng Manila Police District, General Alex Gutierrez. At siguro, ang pinakasikat na alumnus ninyo, wala dili ba? Kung hindi si Senator Only Mercado. Hindi lang naging senador, naging Secretary of National Defense pa. At nung kapanahonan niya sa DCMM, Channel 2, siya ho ang pinakabatikan na broadcaster ng Channel 2. Kaya lang, nag-retire ito eh. At siyang naging byudo noong 1992, ako naman noong 1994. At katulad din ni Only, nag-asawa rin kami muli. Okay, nandito naman ang inyong principal, si Miss Angelaon. At mga faculty members, ating iniisip, sinasaliwa yung mga kahapong lumipas. Siguro, tanda-tanda pa ninyo, at yung mga kalimutan, yung mga first love ninyo, nung kayo'y nag-aaral dito sa Mangel Rojas High School. Maraming nagkatuluyan at marami rin nasikhayo. Pero kung kayo ay byudo at byuda, pwede din i-revive yung yung first love, masyadong matindi yan. Yung first love is the last love, Ngayon, dito sa inyong alma mater, nabanggit ni Superintendent Benguito, ay sa nakakalang taon, ang priority namin magpatayo ng mga gusali additional. Ang mga nito sa kaliwa at saka dito sa likuran. Pero ngayong taon nito, meron na naman panibagong building. Tapos na ho ang filing ng foundation. Yun o, harap-tumlog, patungurod sa dulo. Ganito rin o kalaki. Yan, para mga tiga rito ay hindi masasabi na wala silang classroom kung gusto nilang mag-enroll. Yan ang ginagawa namin ngayon sa Manila. Nakapokus na yun 2012 sa mga additional school building. Dito, sa Pandakan, Santa Ana, Santa Mesa, meron tayong bagong hospital, yung Santa Ana Hospital, which was inaugurated last year, no less by the President Manuel Aquino. Yan ang hospital na yan, 10 grado. At yan o, fully air condition, magmula ground floor up to the 10th floor. Kaya yung mga bata-bata ko sa inyo, kung gusto manganak, ay subukan ho ninyo dahil ang nanganak ho dyan ay about 600 a month. At yung mga nanganganak dyan sa Santaan na Hospital, matapos makapanganak, matapos magpasalamat doon sa mga doktor, ang kanilang sinasabi, maraming salamat sa inyo, napakaganda ng hospital ninyo, ang sarap ng mga anak dito. Sa isang taon, nandito na naman kami. Yan o, sinasabi nila. Dahil air conditioner at walang bayad. Walang bayad sa kwarto. Walang bayad sa doktor. Dahil sinusweldohan natin yun. At kung wala kayong pera, pambili ng gamot, ang hospital pa rin ang bibili ng gamot para sa inyo. Yan ang ating patakaran sa aming hospital ng lungsod ng Maynila. Ngayon sasamantalahin ko, nandito si Congressman Amado Bagatsing dahil noong una ko nahalal 1992, isa lang ang hospital natin, yung hospital ng Maynila, which was established by Mayor Villegas way back 1968. Okay. Dahil 1968 ko yan, 32, 43 years na yung building ng hospital ng Maynila. Kaya gusto ko, bubayin yung hospital ng Maynila at magpapatayo tayo ng 12 story. Congratulations sa batch 52, 62, 72, 82, 92, 92, and in between. Mabuhay kayo lahat. Salamat po.
Bigyan ko ng tinigat.
Manuel A. Rojas High School, General Alumni Association in Manila, awards this plaque of recognition to Honorable Alfredo Eslim, Mayor, City of Manila, an exemplary achievement as City Mayor of Manila, standing to the residents of City of Manila. Given this 29th day of January,
That's enough. Let's move on.
Pupunta tayo sa susunod na bahagi o keynote speaker and guest of honor to be done by former Senator Orlando S. Mercury. Christmas pa!
Nalatas ng Pfizer Drug Company ang problema natin. May kamahalan ng konti, pero kaya ka rin. You can rise up to the occasion anytime you wish. Noong una kami nakita ng ibang mga kaklase ko sa Misalan Only. Okay ka, hindi ka tumatama, sabi ko. President Ilaw, ipuwi mo yan. Sabi niya sa akin, tigas. Sabi ko, ito na lang matigas sa akin ngayon. Pero nalutas na rin ang kaya. Mga kababayan, ang pinakamahirap ay yung introduce mo ng isang tao na kilala na. Pero ito, hindi tayo. Alam natin na ang pangalan Bugatti, batang maliit pa tayo, sinayos na yan sa public service sa ating lungsod. From Mayor Ramon Bugatti, to serve with illustrious industry, efficiency, and dedication, our city came the product of the next generation. Kaya yun naman puno, and we know we will always be there. Ang
One, two, three. Isa tayo, te. Konti nila, no? Okay, one, two, three, walking, go! Go, galaw-galaw. Sabay. Walking shot. One, two, three. One, two, three, go! One, two. Isa pa. One, two shot. Two shot. Okay, ready? One, two, three, walkie. Closer na konti, closer. Bigyan kayo. Two shots po. Oh, another pose po. Ibang pose naman. Yeah.
Kulang sila.
Okay. Oh, walkie shot. Walkie shot.
May little girl sa loob.
Walkie shot.
May little walkie.
One, two, three, walk.
Okay. Spoiled ako sa inyo, kaya spoiled kayo sa akin.
Okay, one, two, three, go, walkie.